Obsidian Black Metallic versus Black Mercedes, comparison for car enthusiasts. When it comes to choosing the color of a Mercedes-Benz, the decision may seem straightforward, but nuances exist that can significantly affect the vehicle's aesthetics, maintenance, and appeal. Among the various color options, Obsidian Black Metallic and Black, also known as Jet Black or Night Black in some models, stand out as popular choices. This video delves into the differences between Obsidian Black Metallic and Black, examining aspects such as visual appeal, maintenance, durability, and resale value, to aid potential buyers in making an informed decision. Visual appeal and perception. Obsidian Black Metallic, as the name suggests, is not a flat black. It's a metallic color, meaning it contains tiny metal flakes that catch and reflect light. This gives the car a sparkling effect, especially under sunlight or bright lighting. The multidimensional appearance of Obsidian Black Metallic adds depth and complexity to the car's surface, making it a favorite for those who want their vehicle to stand out. The metallic sheen also helps in highlighting the car's design features, such as curves, lines, and edges more prominently. In contrast, Black, Jet Black or Night Black, is a solid, non-metallic color. It offers a sleek, uniform appearance that is both timeless and elegant. The absence of metallic flakes means that the surface reflects light in a more subdued manner, resulting in a less sparkly but deeply rich and intense black. This color is often preferred by individuals who seek a classic, understated look that emphasizes the car's silhouette without additional distractions. Maintenance and upkeep. Both colors have their unique maintenance considerations. Obsidian Black Metallic, with its sparkling metallic finish, is generally more forgiving when it comes to showing dirt, dust, and minor scratches. The reflective quality of the metallic flakes can help in camouflaging small imperfections, making them less noticeable from a distance. However, this does not mean it's maintenance-free. The metallic finish can require more meticulous care when polishing or waxing to avoid swirl marks and to maintain its unique shimmer. On the other hand, Black tends to show imperfections more readily due to its non-reflective, uniform surface. Dust, dirt, water spots, and scratches can be more visible, especially in direct sunlight. This means that maintaining a pristine look would require regular washing, drying, and occasional detailing. However, when properly maintained, a black car can exhibit a profound depth of color and a mirror-like shine that is highly sought after. Durability and longevity. The durability of the paint can be influenced by the car's exposure to elements, maintenance routine, and the quality of care it receives. Generally, both Obsidian Black Metallic and Black are susceptible to the usual wear and tear, like any other car color. However, the metallic paint in Obsidian Black Metallic can sometimes offer slightly better resistance to fading due to the reflective properties of the metal flakes, which can deflect some of the UV radiation responsible for oxidation and fading. Resale value. In terms of resale value, black cars are often in high demand due to their classic and universal appeal. Both Obsidian Black Metallic and Black are popular choices and tend to hold their value well in the pre-owned car market. However, the condition of the paint can significantly influence a car's resale value. A well-maintained car, regardless of its color, will always have a higher appeal to potential buyers. Personal preference and lifestyle. Ultimately, the choice between Obsidian Black Metallic and Black may come down to personal preference and lifestyle. If you enjoy a more dynamic, eye-catching appearance and are willing to invest time in regular maintenance, Obsidian Black Metallic could be the choice for you. On the other hand, if you prefer a timeless, elegant look and are ready to commit to keeping the car clean and well-maintained, Black could be your ideal match. Conclusion. Both Obsidian Black Metallic and Black offer distinct advantages and come with their own set of considerations. Whether you prefer the sparkling allure of Obsidian Black Metallic or the profound elegance of Black, both colors are bound to make a statement. Understanding the nuances between these two options will ensure that your Mercedes-Benz not only reflects your personal style, but also meets your expectations in terms of maintenance, durability, and resale value.